Alright guys, we survived the storm last night and it's sort of like quieting down. It's kind of like the calm before the storm again. So I think we're going to get another big lot of rain or something. It's looking pretty dark. Window's too dirty to focus on it. Yeah, we're going to have to go check the gym. I don't think it'd be too bad down there, so well, let's hope so. But yeah, how'd you guys go last night? You guys survive? You guys survive last night? Yeah? What? Whole heap of towels and bag with camera stuff in it, plus you guys, plus you as the camera. We're gonna go try to do some exploring because today's rest day, so it actually works out pretty good. So this is gonna be like my cardio and stuff. We're gonna go try find, well not find, we're gonna try go up to the top of the Woolgoolga Waterfall, so we'll see how we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Ooh, we're looking good. That's all it was done last night. Okay, yeah, we're so. Alright, we're good. The gym's not gonna flood. Wait. Check how deep it is. Yeah, we good fam, we good. We should have brought bodyboards.
Is that what you call a jungle workout?
You got a branch, you got a gym. Alright. I don't think we're gonna be driving through that. So we're gonna walk up here. I wasn't willing to drive through. It's actually really deep, which you guys will see in a sec. And then we're gonna get, well, we're not too sure how far up we're gonna be able to get because there is like other crossings and stuff up there as well. But yeah, hopefully we can make it to the waterfall because it's gonna be pumping. It's gonna be sick. And I might go for a little swim. We'll see. This is so kids can't lose me.
Why are you being like that, Ben? You invited me out on a nice day.
I feel like I'm going to like Antarctica. This is my ski jacket.
Why didn't you bring me a ski jacket?
You get the full-on raincoat. Don't go anywhere. Let's do it. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. No, that's right. Styling, kids.
Jesus bloody Mary.
It's cold already. Did you put your other shoes on? Yep. Alright, we're getting to the deepest part. Walking on the tippy toes.
Oh, this has been so much.
Man, this is good like ice bath after legs yesterday. Woo! Alright, made it.
1.3k, no, I'm out. I don't feel too safe about this.
Do you know how I think we're going to get across here? That. Alright, we're just going to cross here. It's not too bad. There's a bit of a hole that far, but we'll be right. We're going to put all the valuables in the bag, in the plastic bag, so we've got free hands to be able to climb across. So, if you're watching this, we obviously made it through, but yeah.
If you don't watch it.
If you're not watching it, I guess we didn't make it through. That makes sense. so spiderweb. I think we've crossed about 5 crossings now, 4 or 5, I can't remember. I think we've got one more to cross. I've got the GoPro, filming on the GoPro, so I can just so I don't have to keep pulling the DSLR out. But yeah, so far so good. The crossings haven't been too bad. How's the Serenity? And I've lost Kieran. Kieran! Gets left behind. Sorry, Kieran. Let's go. I think this one's the biggest one up here. Alright, back to the good camera. So that was the last crossing. So now we're pretty much there. We can hear the waterfall, so it's going to be pretty nuts. These nuts! But how are we doing, Kieran? How you going so far? We found a couple of leeches, but we got them off first.
Can you pull one off the back of your leg?
What?
You got a lot of blood coming out.
Dude, that carp though. Holy sh**. That's not even the waterfall part. Should we go for a swim? You can't even hear me. Oh. So a little history lesson for anyone that doesn't know, or anyone that's not from Woolgoolga. This is like, there's a dam up top of this waterfall, but back in some time, this is actually where Woolgoolga got their water from. So this pipe runs from all the way up there, all the way down to Woolgoolga, somewhere. Almost fell. That's crazy. You would not want to fall in there. I'm actually so excited. This is actually crazy. Hurry up! Hopefully it feels like it's raining, but it's just all the mist. So if it gets too bad, I'm gonna have to put you guys away. But look at this. Woo! You just feel the breeze off it. That's crazy. I don't think I'm going for a swim. Kieran! I've lost Kieran. Alright, words cannot even describe how powerful that is. Like, I can't even explain. I'm just gonna leave it. Alright guys, we're gonna try climb to the top of it. So we'll see you there. Once again, if you're watching this, we made it. But yeah, you guys know the drill. Let's go. We made it. It's actually, that's the top. I've stood on that thing before. But you wouldn't want to fall in. You go, woo! But do you want to keep going up? The dam's like, I don't think we'll actually be able to get to the dam.
Last time I went up, we had to climb across.
Yeah, you have to cross over a fair few times. But this is it. We made it.
It's the top.
Woo! Yeah! Alright, back down now. Alright, we made it back through. The water actually went down heaps since we went up there, so we'll see if it's easier. It only took us about, what do you reckon, half hour? It took us like, hey?
Half hour to get back.
Yeah, it took us like a good hour and a half to 2 hours to get up there. But just got this one last river to cross. Back of the car, hopefully it's still there. And then we're gonna go get a feed, because hungry. You go first. Good luck. Alright guys, so just got home and had a shower and stuff, and we're going out, we're going to get some food. There's a new sushi place in Whoopi that does like sushi and yogurt or something, so because I've only had breakfast, I got lots of macros to play with, so gonna go and see what we can get, see what it's like. Hopefully it's open. Haven't even checked its opening hours, but yeah, I don't think I'll be able to fit any what's it called, any yogurt in, but we'll see what happens. This is a place, I don't even know how to pronounce that, sushi and Asian restaurant, and I'm so hungry, so this is going to be a challenge to not overeat. But I'm also going to take a protein shake in there just to make sure I get my protein requirements for today. Yeah, just gotta wait for Kieran. Hey guys, how you doing? Surviving the storm. So we got different yogurts, blueberry tart. Ooh, fat free. It might be good. Put some other stuff. And mango. Ooh. I'm guessing we add all this stuff in as well, which I probably will stay away from. And some sushi. Alright, so I didn't end up getting any sushi, I just got a plate. So we got like a cup and a half of rice, which is probably about the same amount as I usually get, and then we got teriyaki chicken. So I'm basically just swapping my rice out and my chicken out, so it works out pretty good. We got Coke Zero. What did you get? You had another plate. How many food? You got two sushi rolls, calamari, and then that as well. Hungry boy, you're a big boy. Just come down to the front of the headland just to check out what the swell's doing, and it is pretty big. Okay, my camera's about to go flat, but there's like a big blowhole thing right here. It comes out right here somewhere. Woo! There it is. I'm gonna wait around here, just keep filming until the camera dies. But when it cuts out, this is gonna be the end of the video. Gonna go home, eat some food, do some editing, all that sort of fun stuff. Hope you guys have a fantastic week. Be safe, have fun. That's me for the video. What was that? I really gotta be careful down here. Alright, last one. Whoa!